so much kingdom entertainment. Ras Bingi said this is the 42 laws of man. This is 42 of the many laws of what the most. I that lives and reign in the heart of I and I. Rastafari say, I and I, Rasta said, I will not do wrong. I will not steal. I will not act with violence. I will not kill. I will not act unjustly. I will not cause pain. I will not waste food. I will not lie. Rasta say, desecrate holy places. I will not speak evil. I will not abuse my sexuality. I will not cause the shedding of tears. I will not sow seeds of regret. I will not be an aggressor. I will not act ungrateful in a clever slide or deceitful way. I will not lay waste to proud land. I will not bear false witness. I will not set my mouth in motion against any person. I will not be wrathful and angry except for just cause. Rasta say I will not copulate with a man's wife. Rasta say I will not copulate with a woman's husband. Rasta say I will not allude myself. Rasta say I will not cause terror. Rasta say I will not pollute the earth. Rasta say I will not speak in anger.